Assam Chief Minister Gogoi passes away in Guwahati. Golden Wings to hold the 6th edition of Northeast International Fashion Week. Good morning one and all who is watching the news. You're with Julie Bapi with the latest news for today. Now the news in detail. In a sad news for Congress and the people of the state, former Assam Chief Minister Gogoi has passed away last evening at Guwahati Medical College and Hospital. 86-year-old Congress leader breathed his last at around 5:34 p.m. on Monday evening following the deterioration of his health condition. The former Assam Chief Minister was hospitalized for 2 months since August 25th as he tested positive for COVID-19 and was put on ventilator support as his health conditions deteriorated. However, he has discharged on October 25th after he tested negative. A team of doctors were deputed by the government to take his care at his official residence as the veteran leader was showing post-recovery complications. Gogoi was readmitted to GMCH on November 2nd after he complained of breathing problems, but was declared out of danger by GMCH doctors on 3rd of November. Gogoi was rushed back to GMCH on Wednesday night, November 18. On Thursday, the GMCH Superintendent Dr. Abhijit Sharma informed that Gogoi was stable. However, his condition deteriorated. The veteran leader was born on October 11, 1934 at Rangajan Tea Estate in Jorhat district of Assam. He did his primary schooling from number 26 Rangajan Nimna Bunyadi Vidyalaya and then moved to Jorhat Madrasa School where he studied up to class 4. He then moved to Bholaguri High School near Baduli Para Tea Estate where he studied till class 6. Gogoi passed his HSLC examination from Jorhat Government High School. He completed his graduation from Jagannath Borua College, Jorhat, and completed his LLB from Guwahati University. He started his political career in 1969 as a ward member of Jorhat municipality. Later in 1971, he was elected as a member of parliament. He served for 6 terms till 2001 from Titabor and Koliabor. He served as a Chief Minister of State from 2001 to 2016. He became one of a prominent leader of the country after he was elected as the Joint Secretary of the All India Congress Committee in 1976 under Prime Minister Indira Gandhi. He was the president of the Assam Pradesh Congress Committee from 1986 to 1990. He had also served as a member of the Legislative Assembly from 1986 to 2001. NewsX report, Karbing Long Live. Reception Committee for the 29th Annual Conference of the Karbi Lameramai was constituted on Monday. The conference has been slated to be held in Vomulangso on January next year. The meeting for the formation of the committee was held at Bornirja under Deopani MSC constituency. The meeting was chaired by a local leader and activist Jivan Bey. After prolonged discussion during the meet, the charge of the president was given to former KAAC EM Surja Rongphar, while the charge of secretary was given to Chandra Senar. The program was held in the presence of Karbi Lamet Amai Central Committee President Hidinath Rongpi, Vice President Hukur Singh Rongpi, General Secretary Liladhar Teron, Assistant Secretary Joyce Togbi, Advisor Barim Ingti, former KAAC EM Jivan Chandra Pathak, Karbi Lamet Amai, Vomulangso branch members, and many others. NewsX report, Karbing Long Live. With an aim to unite all tribes of people to march ahead together in the road of development, the first executive meeting of the Korkanti BJP Minority Morcha Committee members was held at Samilangso on Monday. The meeting was held at Samilangso Mini Stadium office and was chaired by Korkanti Minority Morcha President Surja Teron and was attended as chief guest by BJP East Karbi Anglong District Minority Morcha President Probinson Rongpi, Korkanti BJP Mandal President Doloi Ingti, Secretary Chandro Ingti, Korkanti Minority Morcha Secretary Pritom Teron and several other party members. During the meeting, leaders have urged upon all members to prepare themselves for the upcoming assembly elections without making any differences based on castes and tribes. Further, the leader urged upon its workers to work hard and contribute towards the development of the party. They say that BJP should win all the 4 seats in Karbi Anglong to ensure that the party comes back to power in the state. They also urge members not to fall prey to the temptations of the opposition parties' agendas. Samsing Ingti from Dongmuka, Karbi Anglong Live. And a good news for the fashion and beauty pageant lovers of Karbi Anglong and the Mahasau. The Golden Wings is all set to hold the Northeast International Fashion Week Season 6. Audition for the event will be held on November 29. The organizers Golden Wings has prepared to include competition for the Miss for unmarried ladies, Mr. title for the young boys, Kids for the children category and Mrs. title for the married women. The selected participants in the audition will get the opportunity to show their talent in Guwahati and other cities within Northeast India. The audition for the event will be held on November 29 at Taralangso Deepu. Interested participants may contact the number 93654 92465 or 93655 62722 to know information on the audition. Meanwhile, the organizers have requested all the participants to follow the necessary precautions like maintaining social distancing and wearing of facial masks throughout the event. News Desk Report, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, those were the top stories for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.